Good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel Neelima Classes. Today in this video, I am going to explain you types of forces, that is contact force and field force. So this is the part 1 of the chapter force. So for the next video, I will explain you the types of contact force and types of field force. So this is the part 1 from where I will explain you what is contact force and field force. So before going to this chapter, we need to learn what is a force. So now let us see what is force. So if you can observe in this picture, here there is a sofa, right? So here the man who wear red color shirt is pushing the sofa. Yes, and the man who wear blue color shirt is pulling the sofa to the front. Yes, so force is nothing but push or pull. Okay? Yes. So now we will go with the contact force. So now I will explain you what is contact force. So if you observe in this picture, the man is pushing the car, right? So this both are contact, means both the bodies are contact with each other. Yes, force which results when there is a direct physical contact between two interacting objects is known as contact force. So now we'll see what's the definition of contact force. The force exists between two bodies which are in contact with each other in called contact force. Now let us see some examples of contact force. Man pushing a car, opening the door with your hand, hitting the ball with bat. Now we will learn what is a field force. So field force is also known as force at a distance or field force. So for example, if you observe, a man's hand is holding a horseshoe magnet, right? So this magnet is known as horseshoe magnet. So there are some coins, right? So you can observe some coins here. So the force which occur without any physical contact between two objects is known as force at a distance or field force. Okay? Yes, so now let us see the definition of field force. The force exists between two bodies which are not in contact with each other is called field force. So we learned that contact force means they will be in contact with each other. So that is known as contact force. But field force is nothing but which are not in contact with each other is called field force. So can you say what are some examples of this field force? Yes, some examples of field force are magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force, etc. So I hope you understood what is contact force and field force. So for the part 2, I will explain you the types of field force and types of contact force. Thank you. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.